Hello everyone, welcome to the portal of EarthaPoint, which is courses.earthapoint.com learn. And here on this portal, beta, you can go ahead and have a look at various categories of courses, which is IIT JAM, CUET, MA Economics, DEPR, DU semester courses and whatnot. If you click on DU semester courses, you will be able to see the various courses on the portal which are available to you. A lot of these courses are an initiative of EarthaPoint, which means that we are not charging any fees, beta. This is only the portal fees, in which you have introductory mathematical methods for economics, introductory microeconomics, introductory statistics for economics. Then you have intermediate microeconomics, semester 3, intermediate microeconomics, macroeconomics. This is a paid course. Only this is for 5,000. So you can clearly see that in the paid course, if you click, you will also go ahead and get access to various assignments and you will get access to various other concepts also. So you see here, you also have additional lecture, you have notes, you have assignments, everything is part of the paid course. For all the subjects, you can see past year papers being solved. You can see past year papers being solved and important numericals being discussed in the paid course. So this is a paid course, which is for macroeconomics. But if you go ahead and if you look into the other courses of the economic semester, they are available for no fees. This is only the portal fees that we are charging. Similarly, if you go ahead and you look into the 5th semester, game theory is a paid course in which we are solving various problem sets also. But other than game theory, other courses like economic growth and business cycle, like introductory development economics, these are all the initiative, only portal fees is being charged. And if you go ahead and you look into this introductory development economics, you can see that I have gone ahead and I have covered a lot of the course, even though it is an initiative. You can see that unit 1 is completely covered. You can see that unit 2 is covered, and you can see that unit 4 is also completely covered. In unit 3 also, we have covered one chapter. So this is the link to our portal. You can go ahead, you can have a look at the various courses. Similarly, if you go ahead and you have a look at the IIT JAM courses, here you will be able to see the different mock test series for IIT JAM that have been launched. At the same time, you will be able to also see the question bank for CUET, which has been now launched, and you will be able to see the different other courses also, right? These are only few of the courses, beta. We do provide more courses also. These are the courses which you can directly access. But if you want a full-fledged course on IIT JAM or a full-fledged course on MA Economics entrance or a full-fledged course on Indian Economic Service, you can always contact Rohit sir and he will go ahead and he will talk about the different courses that we have. So I just wanted to quickly show you the portal of EarthaPoint, and all of you can go to this portal and you can have a look at different courses. Okay, beta, thank you. Hello, beta. Let us look at the next question. Dekho dhyan se. It says A is given to you as one set and B is given to you as another set. You are saying that A union B is R. That means all real number minus D. And we need to find the set D. बहुत easy question है बेटा, ध्यान से देखना है, हाँ? बेटा A is given to you as a set which is mod x less than 1. तो A को अगर मेरे को expand करना होगा, mod x less than 1 का मतलब हो जाता है that x lies between -1 and 1. Mod x less than 1 implies that x lies between -1 and 1. ठीक है? बेटा B का सेट देखो एक बारी जरा, have a look at B. B is given to you as x minus 1 greater than equal to 1. So when I will open this up, I will get either x minus 1 is greater than equal to 1 or x minus 1 is less than equal to -1. ठीक है? तो बेटा when I will go ahead and when I will solve this, यहाँ से आ जाएगा x greater than equal to 2 or x less than equal to -1 plus 1. x लेस देन इक्वल टू 0। ठीक है, तो बेटा सेट ए को हम कैसे लिख सकते हैं? हाउ कैन आई राइट सेट ए? ऑल नंबर्स बिटवीन -1 to 1। एंड हाउ कैन आई राइट सेट बी? ऑल नंबर्स बिटवीन -∞ to 0, है ना, x लेस देन इक्वल टू 0 है, यूनियन ऑल नंबर्स बिटवीन 2 to infinity, and 2 and 0 are included. 2 and 0 are included. Right? Mane, what does it mean? It means that if I were to go ahead and if I were to plot set A, तो यहाँ पे -1 होता और 1 होता, and x would have been this. All numbers between -1 and 1. ठीक है? And बेटा if I were to plot set B, तो set B क्या है? Set B is all numbers greater than equal to 2. All numbers greater than equal to 2. 2 included. तो 2 को हम इंक्लूड करेंगे, ऑल नंबर्स ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू 2। यहाँ पे 1 इंक्लूड नहीं था और -1 was not included, and all numbers less than equal to 0. So if I take 0 here, all numbers less than equal to 0. So 0 also included. That means this. Beta all numbers less than equal to 0. ठीक है, ये हो गया सेट बी। Now we are asking what will be A union B, beta. A union B means it should come either in A or in B. A union B means it should come either in A or in B. माने जहां पे कोई भी कलर दिख रहा है, that is A union B. तो A union B में ये सारा इंक्लूड हो जाएगा जहां पे either there is green color or blue color. What will not be included in A union B? This part, क्योंकि ये दोनों ही सेट में नहीं है. This part is in neither of the set, right? So A union B will be the entire number line, beta. It will be the entire number line. That means all real numbers except what is not included in both of them. वो ये वाला पार्ट है. कौन सा पार्ट आ रहा है? From 1 to 2. This part is not included in either set. देख पा रहे हो? From not including 1 to including 2, ये वाला जो पार्ट है, 2 तो included है दूसरे सेट में. So I can rather write it like this. और 1 किसी भी सेट में included नहीं है because there was an open circle, so I'll write it like this. So this is A union B, beta. Is this making sense? ये बात थोड़ा समझ में आ रहा है? What is A union B? A union B is entire number line, पूरा का पूरा number line, except this part. This part is not being included. This part is not being included. और कौन सा part include नहीं हो रहा? What part is not being included? That part which does not include 1. ये देखो, 1 तो include नहीं हुआ ना union वाले part में, तो 1 is excluded from union. 1 is excluded. Subtraction shows exclusion. 1 is excluded from union. And 2 is included in union. देखो 2 तो include हुआ था. 2 is included in union. है ना? तो real number -1 to 2, this is your A union B. ये बात समझ पा रहे हो? Now it says A union B is represented as R minus D. As R minus D. So it is saying what is the set D? So what will be the set D? बेटा यही तो set D हो गया. 1 to 2. This is your set D. Set D will be 1 to 2. Is this making some sense? So A union B को ऐसे भी लिख सकते हो. First try to understand what is A union B. A union B is all numbers from -1, from -∞ to 1. 1 not included. And all numbers from 2 to infinity, 2 included. है ना? क्योंकि set A क्या था बेटा? Set A was all numbers between -1 and 1. 1 और -1 इंक्लूड नहीं हुआ है. Set B is all numbers between -∞ to 0, union 2 to infinity. तो बेटा अगर मुझे इसको ब्रेक करना है, अगर मेरे को यहां पे देखना है, तो -∞ to 0, -∞ to 0, and 2 to infinity, 2 included, 2 to infinity, 2 included. और ये वाला जो सेट है, दिस इज -1 to 1, -1 and 1 नॉट इंक्लूडेड. ठीक है, तो अब अगर हम A union B को करें, if I find what is A union B, anything which is coming either in A or in B, तो सारे नंबर 0 तक के तो इंक्लूड हो ही रहे हैं in A union B. all numbers up to 0 will be definitely in A union B. Can you see this? ये यहाँ तक है and ये यहाँ तक है. All numbers up to 0 are definitely in A union B. Right? Then the second part is that all numbers between 0 and 1 are definitely in A union B क्योंकि वो A में आ रहे हैं. So all numbers between 0 and 1 are definitely there. ये वाला भी आ रहा है A union B में. And all numbers between 2 to infinity are also definitely part of A union B. माने all numbers from minus infinity to 1 union all numbers from 2 to infinity, they are part of A union B. तो कौन सा पार्ट है जो A union B में नहीं आ रहा? What is that part which is not coming in A union B? This part. This is not included in A union B. So we can go ahead and say that this A union B will be all real numbers minus this part. Isn't it? And they have asked us to represent A union B as R minus D. So this is set D. Right? Okay, beta. Thank you.